All right, welcome back once again to the Sweet Glamping Ranch, and this is our Merlin. All of the mirrors on each of our Freedom Elite RVs are the same. There is no power to them. It's a manual adjustment. Basically, you have to use two hands and try and adjust these mirrors to get them in line with what you want. Sometimes as people do that, they get loose, and then as you start going down the road, it shakes, rattles, and these things start to weather vane into the wind. We've had people duct tape them, do all sorts of things to try and keep them from doing that. But there's an easy solution. On board, you have a screwdriver, you have multiple flathead attachments and Allen attachments. You choose the second smallest flathead. You insert in the plastic cap, little counterclockwise to get it out. Don't lose it. Switch that back out to the Allen. It's the third size on the Allen wrench. And then you can either tighten or loosen. So in this case, if I want to adjust, I loosen it up a little bit, and you can see I can use one hand to loosen the mirror. Once I have it set, you have somebody in the seat telling you where it's set, then you just right hand tighten it clockwise, and now it's firm again. And then the only thing left to do is to replace the plastic cap. So back to the second size on the flathead, right into the plastic cap, just about a turn and a half. It's tightened back up again. And that's as simple as it is. So once again, just grab your screwdriver and attachments out of the onboard toolkit. If this thing is loose, give it a quick turn to tighten. If you need to readjust, loosen it up, set it where you want it, and retighten. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for glamping with us.